this is Chris from Stylharmony. Thank you for joining me. Today's video is about a gift card holder that we're going to make for a girl. The last video I did was for a man, so we're going to change it this time, and it fits perfectly well, and it's really cute. I've seen this video already on YouTube. I really don't remember who it was. That was a long time ago, so I'm sorry. I can't really have credit for this one, but I'm going to show you how to make it. It's really quick, and you don't need a lot of materials here. So here what you have is a doily, and my doily was in fact white in the beginning, and I just spray paint it in gold. You can do that in many colors. It could be silver, it could be pewter, whatever color you like. And I've cut out a piece of paper the same size, about the same size as my doily here. So here I did one in green, and I'm going to do one here in red for Christmas. It's not completely red, but that'll make the trick. So now we need to glue this down. And because this is quite fragile, I'm gonna put some glue here on my paper first. And this is just construction paper. It's nothing fancy, nothing expensive. And I'm gonna put a few things here and there, especially in the middle. And then I will always come back and put some more if needed. So be careful with your doily, because there's a wrong and a good side of it. So the one with the raised edges should be down. So now I'm going to glue this down here, and that's good. If it's sticking to your fingers, don't worry, it's going to be sticky at the beginning because there are a lot of holes in there, so your glue is seeping out. That's why also I'm not using hot glue, but it will dry completely non-tacky afterwards. So once this is done, and maybe there's some gaps here, but that'll be fun. I'll see this after. What I've done here is that I created a pattern for my gift card, and it's chipboard. It's just something non-fancy out of a cereal box, and I've cut my gift card a little slightly over here on my pattern. It's going to give me a little wriggle room, and I just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now what you do is you take your circle here, you put it upside down, and try to center this. It's about the same technique I already showed you about how to make your envelopes. And now what you're going to do is you're going to fold all the pieces. I really try to center it, so I want to make my two edges here about the same size. And I'm going to put it a little bit down here. That's fine. And I'm going to use my non-stick paper here, my cookie sheet, because I don't want to put my fingers in there and take the risk to rip off everything, sorry. And then I open it, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other sides. Open it again, try not to move like I just did. There you go, press well. And now the last one here. Okay, I hope I did all my lines straight, and I've got glue everywhere again. And I don't know if you can see this, but I'm having some angles here, some kind of triangles, and I'm going to cut these one out because it's going to make it look nicer. Just again the way I did this in my videos for the envelopes. It's going to be the same thing. We're going to cut here. And I'm slightly cutting on the outside of my triangle, so it's not going to overlap when I'm going to shut my my card holder here. Okay, and this is, yeah, it's good. It's good on both sides. So now what you're going to do before closing everything, we're going to make two holes here to put our handle there. And let me see, I think I'm going to put this where is the longest side. This is the longest side. So I'm going to do my holes on this piece. And I'm more or less going to make the holes almost on the crease there. There you have it. If you don't have a crocodile, just use a, and I'm going to use maybe this one. It makes, it's a bit too yellow. And This one is not the same color again. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I'm going to use the yellow for now. I'm not going to waste your time looking for something. And I'm going to put this ribbon here through. Come on, baby. And I'm going to make a knot here. Maybe just a double knot, because my hole is not too big, but I need to make it secure. Maybe 2 or 3. It's a bit small what I've done here. Okay, is that going to be enough? We'll say it's enough. If I need to make another one, I'll do another one. Gonna cut straight there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. 1 and 2. Whoops. That one is not good. Let me do that again. Okay, that's fine. Well, I have to say it's about midnight, so a little tired. I'm going to cut this right here. Oops. There you have it. So there you, okay, went through. They're not big enough, so I'll have to do another one. Okay, let's pretend it's fine. And now here, what we're going to do to close it, we're going to use some hot glue because we want this to be really well closed. So I'm going to put some hot glue there, some hot glue there, and there you have it. This is hot. So I'm going to use my spatula like I always like to do, and I'll try to put more glue here to make all these little bits come inside, and it's almost done. The last thing we're going to have to do right now is to put a little embellishment. So what I'm going to do here is maybe take, I've got some red ones here that I've already done. Like I have this green here. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use a red this time. And I need to make some more. Maybe I could put 3 if they're too small. Oh, that one is not bad. I think it's going to be enough. And just before I'm going to do that, I'm going to put something here to make my little baggy clothes, and I'm going to use these Velcro dots. They're tiny, but they're great. They're totally enough. The strength of it is totally fine for this project, and they have a sticky backing on it, so I don't have to use any glue. I usually put them together first, then I put them exactly where I want them to be. Is that the right place? I think so. Then close it, and I know that they're perfectly aligned and well in place. And I've got a bigger one here. I'm going to use this bigger glue dot here, and I'm going to put some glue here, some glue there, and I'm going to color it. Good. There you have it. I mean, really simple. And I'm going to open this one because my glue is not dry yet. And look at that. So easy to do. Put your gift card here, and I need to put some glue there, but that's fine. I'm going to take care of it. And it's done. It's done in minutes. You can make a whole of them at a time. Always have it handy. Here you can even write your sentiment or the name of the recipient here for who you want to give it to. So easy, so fast, very cheap. Just using some, you know, like ordinary paper, and it's good to go. There, under 10 minutes again. Wow, I'm improving myself. Maybe I cannot do this all the time, but very short video. Please tell me what you think about this. Which one do you prefer, the red one or the green one? I think I like both. They look different. I like the handles of this one. I really like it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get all the notifications. And share and like and comment, and I'll get back to you very soon. Thank you very much for being here. Take care and see you soon for other videos. Bye bye.